Welcome to Motor Max, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into a legendary name in the power cruiser segment, the Harley Davidson V-Rod. The V-Rod made waves when it was first introduced, blending classic Harley Davidson styling with high-performance engineering. Now, in 2025, Harley Davidson has brought back the V-Rod, and it's more powerful, refined, and aggressive than ever. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod a true beast on the road. A bold return of the V-Rod. Harley Davidson discontinued the V-Rod in 2017, much to the disappointment of performance cruiser enthusiasts. However, the demand for a high-powered muscle bike never faded. The return of the V-Rod in 2025 isn't just a nostalgic move, it's a statement. This latest iteration stays true to the original V-Rod's DNA while embracing modern technology, improved performance, and updated styling. The 2025 V-Rod is built to dominate the streets, blending raw power with refined engineering. Engine and performance, pure muscle on two wheels. At the heart of the 2025 V-Rod is an all-new liquid-cooled Revolution Max 1400 engine. This high-performance V-twin delivers an impressive 150 horsepower and 125 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful Harley-Davidson motorcycles ever built. The engine is tuned for aggressive acceleration while maintaining smooth power delivery, making it perfect for both highway cruising and spirited rides through city streets. With a 6-speed transmission and a ride-by-wire throttle system, the V-Rod offers precise control and effortless power. Harley-Davidson has also improved the bike's cooling system, ensuring the engine runs efficiently even under extreme conditions. Whether you're tearing down the highway or pushing the limits on twisty backroads, the new V-Rod delivers relentless power without compromise. Aggressive styling and aerodynamics. The 2025 V-Rod is a head-turner from every angle. Harley-Davidson has given it a low-slung, aggressive stance with a redesigned frame that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The long and muscular fuel tank, coupled with a streamlined rear section, gives the bike a dynamic and modern look. The iconic drag-style handlebars and mid-mounted controls ensure a riding position that feels aggressive yet comfortable. LED lighting all around enhances visibility and adds to the bike's futuristic appeal. The signature LED headlamp features a sleek design that integrates seamlessly with the aerodynamic bodywork. The V-Rod styling is a perfect blend of classic Harley-Davidson toughness and contemporary performance design. Design and aesthetics, old meets new. Visually, the 2025 Knucklehead is a masterpiece that maintains the classic style Harley-Davidson enthusiasts love, while offering updates that give it a modern twist. From the vintage-inspired gas tank with sleek pinstriping to the refined chrome detailing, every aspect of the bike has been meticulously crafted to evoke the spirit of the original Knucklehead. The modern version, however, incorporates lightweight, durable materials, offering better handling without sacrificing the iconic visual appeal. The chrome accents, classic fenders, and signature Harley-Davidson styling ensure that the Knucklehead continues to turn heads wherever it goes. The modernized ergonomics also make it more comfortable to ride for a variety of riders, further improving the overall experience without compromising the bike's original charm. Technology and features, innovation with nostalgia. While the 2025 Knucklehead pays homage to its roots, it's equipped with a range of modern technological features that bring it into the 21st century. Harley-Davidson has incorporated their latest ride-enhancing tech, including a high-definition touchscreen display that provides navigation, weather updates, and real-time performance metrics. The bike also comes with advanced rider assistance features, such as ABS, traction control, and adaptive suspension, ensuring both safety and an incredibly smooth ride. One of the most exciting features is the inclusion of the Harley Davidson Connect system, which allows riders to track their bike's location, get maintenance reminders, and even receive theft alerts via their smartphone. These features, combined with the bike's state-of-the-art engine, elevate the Knucklehead into a bike that can be appreciated by both classic bike lovers and tech-savvy riders.
Riding experience, feel the freedom. The 2025 Knucklehead is not just about looks and specs, it's about the feeling you get when you ride it. Harley Davidson has designed the bike to be an extension of the rider, providing a dynamic and exhilarating experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway with the wind in your face or taking tight turns on your favorite back road, the Knucklehead's responsive handling and powerful engine make it an absolute thrill to ride. The comfortable seat and well-positioned handlebars ensure that the rider remains relaxed, even on longer rides, while the smooth suspension absorbs the bumps in the road for a truly enjoyable journey. The classic rumble of the exhaust provides that unmistakable Harley Davidson sound, letting you know you're on a motorcycle that's as much about the experience as it is about the destination. Conclusion: a timeless classic for the modern rider. The 2025 Harley Davidson Knucklehead is more than just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of the brand's rich history and commitment to innovation. By combining timeless design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Knucklehead continues to stand as a tribute to Harley Davidson's enduring legacy in the world of motorcycles. Whether you're a longtime Harley Davidson enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the 2025 Knucklehead is sure to capture your heart with its blend of classic styling and modern capabilities. It's a bike that invites you to experience the road in a way only Harley Davidson can deliver. Thanks for watching this video on the 2025 Harley Davidson Knucklehead here at MotorMax. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and news. We'll see you next time.